Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Moneymakers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future deep dives just like this one where we uncover amazing ways to make money online. Today we're diving into 7 online business ideas that won't cost you a dime to get started. That's right, zero startup capital needed. So if you're ready to unlock your entrepreneurial potential without breaking the bank, stick around.
It's exciting to see how people are making serious money using tools and platforms that are already available to everyone.
So let's jump into the first idea. Pick one. Videos. You know those videos where you have to choose your favorite image or clip? Well, those are going viral right now, racking up millions of views on platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok.
It is fascinating how these videos tap into our desire to make choices and compare ourselves to others. That simple act of just picking one thing is so engaging and shareable.
And get this, the platforms are rewarding creators for those views. YouTube has its Shorts monetization program, and TikTok has its Creator Fund. We're talking about people earning thousands of dollars per month just from these simple videos.
And the best part is you don't need any fancy equipment or expensive software to create them. You can find royalty-free videos and images on sites like Pixabay and Pexels. And if you want to try out AI, Microsoft Designer is a great free tool for generating images. And for editing, there's CapCut, a free option that's super user-friendly and powerful.
Speaking of powerful, the next idea is all about leveraging price differences across online marketplaces. It's called marketplace arbitrage. And it's basically like finding a hidden gem at a flea market and reselling it for a profit.
So imagine you find a product for a cheaper price on, say, Facebook Marketplace, compared to a site like eBay. You could list that same product on eBay for a higher price. And when someone buys it from you, you order it from the original seller and have it shipped directly to your customer.
It's like being the ultimate middleman. And you don't even have to touch the product. This means you can live anywhere and tap into markets with higher demand.
Right, location doesn't matter anymore.
Now, this next one is something I'm really passionate about. Print on demand. I run my own print on demand business, and it's been really rewarding, creatively and financially. I'm talking thousands of dollars each week, all without having to manage any inventory or deal with shipping.
Print-on-demand platforms like Printify and Printful make it really easy. You just create your designs and upload them. They handle the rest. They'll print your designs on tons of products, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it, and they ship them to your customer when they place an order. You can just focus on the fun stuff like designing and marketing.
And there are some amazing free tools to help you get started. Fourth Wall is a platform that lets you create your own online store. It's what a lot of YouTubers use. And it integrates with Printful. Plus, it has a free plan. And to make those awesome designs, Canva is a lifesaver. It's free, super intuitive, and has tons of templates to get you started.
It really is amazing how accessible all of this is. And don't forget about driving traffic to your store. Platforms like TikTok and Pinterest are great for showing off your products.
Absolutely. And that brings us to another great business idea, tutorial affiliate marketing. This one's special to me because it's how I've made a good income online. I've made over $130,000 in just 9 months by creating tutorial videos for apps and websites, and by including affiliate links in the video descriptions.
It's such a smart model. You're creating helpful content that helps people learn new things or solve problems, and at the same time, you're earning money when people buy things through your links. And what I really like is that tutorials can stay relevant for a long time.
Yeah, like I made this tutorial video about Canva a while ago, and it's still bringing in viewers and making money every day. People are always looking for info about Canva, so the tutorial stays relevant. And you can even use TikTok to get even more people to see your tutorials. Just record yourself on your phone going through the steps.
TikTok is such a powerful platform. It's so easy to reach a huge audience and create content. You can even record your screen directly in the app now.
And if you're worried about the technical stuff, don't be. Free tools like CapCut have screen recording built in. They even have AI-powered auto captioning. It's awesome.
And if you need good audio, Adobe Podcast has something called Enhanced Speech. It uses AI to make your voice sound super clear and professional, even if you're using a cheap microphone.
There are so many amazing free tools out there. Okay, let's move on to a different model that uses visual search. Pinterest blogging. You know those eye-catching pins on Pinterest? The ones that take you to blog posts with tips or product recommendations? Well, imagine those blog posts having affiliate links that earn you money every time someone clicks and buys something.
Pinterest is like a visual search engine. People use it to find new products, solutions, and inspiration. So if you create blog posts about things people search for on Pinterest and include affiliate links, you're getting free traffic from people already interested in what you offer.
And you can use Medium for your blog, which is totally free, if you need help with writing. AI tools like ChatGPT can be super helpful, and Canva has free templates for making those cool pin images.
And for affiliate programs, Amazon Associates is a great place to start. They have a huge selection and people trust them.
Okay, now let's bring back another idea we discussed. Digital printables. Remember we were talking about selling custom designed stuff through print on demand? Well, you can sell digital versions of those designs too, like printable wall art, planners, organizers, even worksheets.
That's a great point. Selling digital printables is a great way to make more money and give people more options.
And guess what? You can use Canva to make those digital printables. And you can sell them on Gumroad, which is a free marketplace for digital products.
It all comes down to finding ways to make things work together.
Now let's talk about another content format that's been surprisingly profitable: montage videos. They're basically compilations of stock footage with interesting facts or trivia on top. They might seem simple, but they're captivating audiences and making good money on platforms like TikTok.
Some creators are making $1 or more for every 1,000 views, and when these videos go viral, that's a lot of money.
And they can definitely go viral. There are accounts out there that are less than a year old, and they already have hundreds of videos with over 1 million views each. Some of them have over 10 million views, which is crazy.
The best part is that you can make these videos entirely with free tools.
Absolutely. You can use ChatGPT to help you write the script, or come up with cool facts. For stock footage, Pixabay and Pexels are your go-to. And if you don't want to narrate, 11 Labs is amazing for free AI voiceovers that sound real. Then there's CapCut for editing, with its amazing auto-captioning.
It's like having a whole video team for free. And those captions make your videos better. They make them easier to understand, and they look good.
So we've seen 7 super powerful business ideas, and they all cost nothing to start. With some creativity, hard work, and the right tools, you can turn your passions into profitable online businesses, and we're just getting started.
Stay tuned. We'll be back to dive deeper into these ideas and find more ways to make money online. It's inspiring to see how these simple ideas can become real businesses. It really shows you don't need a lot of money to start something new.
And that's what we're all about here at AI Moneymakers, empowering you to break free and see what's possible online. But before we go too far, let's tie these ideas together. We've been talking about a lot of different business models, but they're not all separate, are they?
You're right. These models can actually work together in cool ways. Like, remember the Pinterest blogging we talked about? Someone making content about bathroom storage could add links to buy those products, but they could also make and sell their own digital printables, like storage labels or checklists, right on your blog.
That's smart. You're basically creating multiple ways to earn from the same content and giving people different options. Some people might want physical products, while others might prefer a digital download.
And it all goes back to using those free resources. You can make those printables using Canva and then sell them on Gumroad, which is free to set up.
I see. It's all about connecting the dots and being creative. Now, before we finish our deep dive, I want to talk about a few important things that are true for all of these business ideas. First, success doesn't happen overnight. Building a business takes time, effort, and consistency.
Exactly. It's easy to get excited about these ideas, but it's important to be realistic. You won't get rich quick, but you can build something great with hard work and a willingness to learn.
And that brings me to my second point. Never stop learning. The online world changes all the time with new platforms and trends.
So it's really important to stay curious and keep up with what's happening online. Read blogs, watch tutorials, join communities, immerse yourself in the world of online business, and don't be afraid to experiment.
So if you're feeling overwhelmed, remember you don't have to do everything at once. Start with one idea that you like, one that matches your passions and skills.
Right. Maybe you're into the visual storytelling of montage videos. Or maybe you like the idea of making tutorials and earning through affiliate marketing.
The key is to find something that excites you, something you can see yourself doing, even when it gets tough, because there will be challenges.
But those challenges are chances to grow and learn. Embrace the ups and downs, be persistent. And remember, you have a community here at AI Moneymakers supporting you.
And don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss out on future deep dives, where we explore even more ways to use AI and make money online.
We're always finding new trends, strategies, and resources to help you succeed. So stay tuned, get inspired, and let's build something amazing together.
As we wrap up this deep dive into $0 online business ideas, what stands out to you? Which one sparked your interest the most?
I think for me, it's the potential that's so inspiring. We've looked at 7 different business models, and they can all make serious money. It really changes how we think about starting a business. You don't need a ton of money to get started.
That's what AI Moneymakers is all about, empowering you to break free and achieve your dreams. Remember, these 7 ideas are just the beginning. The magic happens when you use your own skills, your passions, your creativity.
Yeah, it's like we gave you the ingredients, but you get to create the recipe. What flavors will you add? What's your unique twist?
Exactly. Maybe you're a visual designer and you can make amazing print-on-demand products. Or you're a great storyteller and you can make captivating montage videos. There's so much you can do.
And don't forget, you can mix and match these models. You could start with a Pinterest blog, then add digital printables, or even create your own merchandise. Just experiment and see what works.
This deep dive shows us that money isn't a barrier anymore. The tools and resources are out there, a lot of them for free. Your success depends on your imagination and your willingness to put in the work.
So just take that first step. Choose an idea you like and go for it. We're excited to see what you create.
And remember, you're not alone. The AI Moneymakers community is here to support you. Subscribe to our channel for more content and strategies to help you reach your goals.
We'll be back with more deep dives, exploring the world of online earning.
So until then, keep learning, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries. We'll see you in the next deep dive.